Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 19th of October 2021. Taking a look at Zilliqa. So Zilliqa's had a pretty strong, it's been fairly neutral, but it's also been very much pressured to the downside. You can see that the percent B's crossed down below 0.8 and the RSI remains above 40. So that's kind of a warning sign when it comes to where you would expect to see prices go to. Then you've got the composite index pointing down lower. So there's a lot of signs here pointing to some continued movement south and even some fast movement south. But so far we've been able to see it hold its price range within that 9 to 10 cent value area, even when it dipped down below to 8 and 7 cents. So the breakout level here that we should be looking at is really one where it's a kind of a repeating the same thing I feel like for months, but it's when we get a close above the cloud and then the lagging span also is above the cloud and it's above the candlesticks as well. All of those conditions would be met when Zilliqa moves up to 0.1150, so 11.1150. That would fulfill the bullish breakout conditions. Because currently, the only once that occurs, and if you know what the bullish entry conditions are in the Ichimoku system for the ideal bullish breakout, you might be wondering, well, Senko span A is below Senko span B. That's okay as long as Senko span B is flat or pointing lower and then Senko span A is pointing up. Because if we get a close at 1150, that will adjust the Tenkan-sen higher, which will also adjust the slope of the of Senko span A. It'll start that slope higher as well. So there's very, just by nature of it moving up there, we already know what it will look like given where the Tenkan-sen will be at, and then we know Senko span A will be sloping up. So that's what we've got going on there, and it's a really nice move, I think. And once it does happen, we could get to a new high, probably in that 30-cent range. 36 cents would be that profit target range, and we'll just have to kind of see what happens here. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget, from all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.